Alright, so this is a really cool little thing. I just killed the motorcycle for no good reason. So you see, well, right here it says 129 that way, which goes to Tell the Dragon, 143 which goes to Cherahola Skyway. What's that? It says it goes to Maple Springs Overlook. Something another trailhead. I don't want to follow you. So this is a really cool thing though. This road is the road that they use for the Chasing the Dragon Hill Climb Challenge that they do every year. So basically they come and they race up this road up to the overlook up here, which is a very cool overlook, so I'll take you up there. I have been here when the hill climb's going on, but you really can't get involved with it unless you just want to be there all day. Because once you get up in here, you really can't get out because obviously they're racing up it. They've just mowed this though, so there's a bunch of trash in the road. Now the start line is either right here or right around this next curve. Yeah, right here is the start line. It's this nice wide spot. This is where they start the Chasing the Dragon Hill Climb. So you'd start there, then you'd haul ass up through here, which I'll be haul ass because there is a lot of trash in the road, leaves and grass and all that kind of stuff. It's a Harley rider's worst nightmare. There's clippings everywhere. A whole group of Harley come up through here right now. It'd be a complete massacre. Harleys everywhere laid down. Barb's crying out, "Clear down!" Anyway, whatever. That's enough Harley bashing. So anyway, you'd be working your way up this hill here as quickly as possible. It's a very large, it's a big thing. A lot of people show up for it. So if you're here at the same time that's going on, you will see race cars everywhere. So, but is there any reason to come here if you're not going to do the hill climb thing? Yeah, absolutely, because it does have an amazing overlook up here, bumping our way up the mountain. Bumpity, 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 bumpity. So, but if you come up here after through the hill climb, you can see the racing lines, because it's got black pavement, or black, tire marks are everywhere on the racing line, where people have been coming up through here, and they're using the whole road. They're not just using the one lane like I am. But I bet it is super fun to do. Just about to the top here. Fiddly little straightaway, but you can see how bumpy it is. I know the camera does a good job of smoothing everything out, but it's quite bumpy. I'm guessing they probably stop right in here somewhere, probably the finish line. I don't actually know that, but that seemed like it'd be a good place for it to me. Because you really only got this one more curve, and then you're at the overlook. I'm gonna park here in the shade. Call me Shady Ray. Boop. So that's the road up. Let's walk out and check out the overlook. There you go. Super cool overlook. Easy to get to. Very accessible. Yeah, definitely worth the trip up there. Very pretty. Let's go. Maple Springs Overlook, Nantahala National Forest. It's worth the trip. So that's that part of the video where if you liked it, like it, comment on it, share it, subscribe, do all that stuff. Because every time you do it, it gets me one little step closer to being able to go and do the next cool thing. Thanks for watching. Whoop.